Let's do question number 9 now. A single product company estimated its sales for the next year quarter wise as under. Okay, next year का डेटा आपको दिया है क्वार्टर वाइज, क्वार्टर 1 2 3 4. The opening stock of finished goods units and the company expects to maintain the closing stock of finished goods unit at 16,250 units at the end of the year. Okay. The production pattern in each quarter is based on 80% of the sales of the current quarter and 20% of the sales of the next quarter. Opening stock of raw materials in the beginning of the year was 10,000 and closing stock was to be maintained 5,000. And each unit of finished output requires 2 kg of raw material. The company proposes to purchase the entire annual requirement of raw material in the first 3 quarters in the proportion at the price given below. First quarter में 30% at 2 rupees, 50% second quarter at 3 rupees and 20% in 4. Value of opening stock of raw material in the beginning of the year was 20,000. You are required to present the following for the next year quarter wise. What all? Production budget in units, raw material consumption budget in quantity, that is in units, raw material purchase budget quantity wise and value, and price stored ledger card for the raw material using FIFO method. कैसे करेंगे? कहने अभी इतने सम्स तो किए, अभी आपको आ जाएगा. चलो चलो हो जाओ. चलो आपको दिया 5 मिनट्स, मुझे प्रोडक्शन बजट करके दो कमांड. क्वेश्चन बोलता है ओपनिंग स्टॉक एंड ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सेल्स, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक लेस ओपनिंग, मुझे क्या मिल जाएगा? प्रोडक्शन मिल जाएगा. करेक्ट.
Yes.
अभी सेल्स दिया है सर 30,000, 37,500, 41,250, 45,000. ऐड कर देता हूँ, पूरे साल का मिल जाएगा. $50,000, 1,53,750.
Yes, sir.
अभी क्या क्या दिया है? Sir, the production pattern each quarter is based on 80% of the sales of the current quarter and 20% of the sales of the next quarter. बरोबर है?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Before.
Can I say production 80% of the current quarter? Yani 80%. 80% of 30 is 24.
Yes, sir.
Then 37.5 ka 80%. 30. 41.25 ka 80%. 33. Correct है?
33.2, yes, sir.
Sorry. Then 45 ka 80%, how much you said?
36.
36. And 20% of the next quarter. 37.5 ka 20%.
7.5, sir.
7.5. Okay. Then 41.25 ka 20%. 8.25.
8.3, yes.
Then 45 ka 20%. 9. But I cannot do it for the fourth quarter because I don't know the next quarter ka. So can I say, sir, I got these three production data. 24 plus 7.5, 31.5, 38.25, 42. Can I say now I'm stuck? Huh. What Sinhaji said is 16,250. कहाँ पे आएगा?
Fourth quarter.
Yes, sir. Fourth quarter.
फोर्थ क्वार्टर का क्लोजिंग स्टॉक तो 45 16.25 that comes 61.25. Now what to do? Now what should I do? So
Opening
I
stock.
told you, so not only closing. Yes, bolo Madhvi madam.
Opening stock be same.
कहाँ पे opening stock? Which quarter?
Opening fourth quarter.
Huh?
Fourth quarter, sir.
Fourth quarter. Okay. Yes, Sinaji. What about that? The question is saying the opening stock of finished goods units and the company expects to maintain the closing stock of finished goods unit at 16,250 units.
Sir, I think opening will remain same, sir. 16, 1250.
My question is for which quarter?
Sir, fourth quarter.
Fourth quarter. Okay. So you both are saying the same. There is no discrepancy. And the right answer is opening stock will be of the first quarter. It will be same, but of the first quarter. आपने थोड़ा दिमाग लगाया, बाकी का थोड़ा सा आगे वो नहीं चल पाया. But not a fault, you have done a good job. अरे बेटा, they are saying opening stock and the closing stock of the year. So can I say opening stock of the year will be in the first quarter opening stock? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So what happens, you did not think, I am talking about annual. So annual, they are saying annual closing stock is also 16.25. Annual opening stock is also 16.25. So 153.25. 153.25 plus 16.25. That is 169.5. 153.25. So can I say now I got everything?
So 170 आ जाएगा ना सर?
Where?
153.75 plus 16.25.
I made a mistake. 153.75 plus 16.25. That comes to 170. Okay. But I want your understanding whether you have understood or not the opening stock, how it will go in first quarter.
Yes, sir.
It's a very important concept. समझा है तो बोलो, तो मैं आगे जाता हूँ. नहीं समझा तो मैं बताऊंगा, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. सिन्हा जी, माधवी जी,
क्वेश्चन में सर रिटर्न है ना, इधर लाइन इज रिटर्न द ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ फिनिश गुड्स यूनिट्स and the company expect to maintain the closing stock of finished goods. So opening, it means you mean opening of the first quarter, the same unit or same quantity, and closing will remain same.
Yeah, but they are talking from the perspective of year. Year मतलब annual. Annual का opening stock is equal to 1st January ना बेटा? और annual का closing stock that comes 31st December. Yes or no बेटा?
Yes sir.
So don't you think 1st January will go in first quarter and 31st December will go in the last quarter? बरोबर ना बेटा?
Yes sir.
That's why. समझा?
Yes sir.
श्योर, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बेटा. मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि आपके जगह पे आपको क्या फील होता रहेगा अगर नहीं समझा रहेगा तो. ओनली यू नीड टू एक्सप्रेस, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. माधवी मैडम, यू आर कन्विंस्ड राइट? माधवी मैडम, यू आर कन्विंस्ड राइट? या सिन्हा सर जी, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे, बोलो.
सर मैं कन्विंस इस लाइन पे हूँ. मतलब जो क्वेश्चन में रिटर्न है ना, द ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ फिनिश गुड्स यूनिट, मतलब आई मीन टू से The opening will always have financial opening and closing will always.
नहीं नहीं, not because of that, because of the year. वो जो बोल रहे हैं, it is for the year.
Yes, this is question is talking only for the year.
Year, yeah, it is not talking for the quarter. So when it is talking for the year, so opening stock for the year will always be 1st of January
Yeah, absolutely.
and closing stock will be 31st of December.
Yes.
अभी आपको पॉइंट करना है कि 1st of January कौन से क्वार्टर में आएगा,
जनवरी फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में आएगा.
इसलिए तो मैंने बोला फर्स्ट क्वार्टर का ओपनिंग स्टॉक. और 31st दिसंबर कौन से क्वार्टर में आएगा,
फोर्थ क्वार्टर में आएगा.
इसलिए वो 4th क्वार्टर का क्लोजिंग स्टॉक हो गया.
Okay.
And that is what I am saying.
Right.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी क्लियर. आगे बढ़ो.
Yes, sir.
ओके. माधवी जी.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are also very clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So to 31.5 plus 16.25, I got 47. So I went work back method. I did work back method, na beta. 47.75 minus 30. So I got my closing stock. My closing stock will be 17.75. This will come here. 17.75 plus 38.25. That will give me 86. What? How come 86? कुछ भी बोलता है. 17.75 plus 38.25. That comes to 56. Yes, 56 is right. 56. यहाँ पे लिखना चाहिए टोटल में. Now 56 minus 37.5. That will come as 18.5. Yes or no? Then 18.5 will come here. 18.5 plus 42. That will come 60.5. Minus 41.25. That will come 19.25. Now that 19.25 will come here. So minus 61.25 minus this 42. So can I do it for annual? Can I do it for annual? Okay. क्या आपको इतना समझा? प्रोडक्शन बजट क्वार्टर वाइज समझा?
Yes, sir.
या आई वॉन्ट एनुअल का आप करके दो. कम ऑन. मुझे कुछ डिस्कस करना है वो चीज के बारे में. तो ये करके दीजिए. कम ऑन, ये लिख लीजिए और करके दीजिए. Very important problem.
$53.75 आ रहा है सर.
Why?
clothing stock 16.25 and opening stock also is maintained at 16.25 for annual, no, sir?
Okay. So I have a question. सिन्हा जी आप यहाँ पे हो?
Yes, sir.
I have a question to you both. Can I say I add all sales of all the quarters 30 plus 37.5, 41.25, 145. I got 153.75. I do it for production also 31.5, 38.25, 42, and 42. See, why not for closing stock? Closing stock, it is not happening like that. Why not for opening stock? Why not for closing stock? Why only for purchase, production and sales? Add for all the 4 quarters to get this annual figure. Got my question?
क्वेश्चन में बिकॉज दिया है ना सर, ओपनिंग स्टॉक और क्लोजिंग स्टॉक मेंटेन कर रहे हैं एंड ऑफ द ईयर तक करके. That's what I'm wondering.
Yeah, chalo, I agree, Madhuri madam. Fantastic. Fantastic answer. Yes, it is a very well accepted answer. So now I should ask technically. If the sales are added annually, production are added annually, why not opening stock and closing stock? I feel a non-commerce student will have this question. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as a non-commerce student, I have asked this question. Sir, you are asking to, you are asking to non-commerce student only. I can understand. Only the matter of fact, you are not asking me and I am asking you. When I'm teaching this some majority students, actually they means they could answer this question about sales and production, what Madhvi madam told. But when this question has come, yes, up till now, no one could answer. Probably, maybe the thought process did not reach to that level only. The answer you'll not believe, it is so easy. It is so easy. Only we are not thinking of that level. You'll not believe answer lies in 11th standard, FYJC. Okay. Sina Sarji, you want to try something?
No, sir.
सर ओपनिंग स्टॉक का टोटल और क्लोजिंग स्टॉक का टोटल भी सेम आएगा ना सर इसमें भी, इफ वी ऐड आल्सो?
No. Sorry. Come back again.
Closing stock of 4 quarters and opening stock of 4 quarters will also be same.
Kaise? You can check. It is not same.
Total,
same.
sir.
How show how it is same? 17.75 plus 18.5 plus 19.25 plus 16.25. How that is equal to 16.25?
No, I'm telling it is equal to a total of opening stock, sir.
Total of opening stock. Opening stock is 16.25 plus 17.75 plus 18.85 and plus 19.25. Okay, pay attention. What you write revenue statement. रेवेन्यू स्टेटमेंट का हेडिंग क्या लिखते हो आप? पीएनएल अकाउंट का हेडिंग क्या लिखते हो? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस फॉर द ईयर एंडेड. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Profit and loss is for the year. And what do you write for balance sheet? What you write for balance sheet? Balance sheet is as on. Am I correct, Sinha sir?
Yes, sir. As on date.
As on date होता है. माधवी मैडम बरोबर?
Yes, sir.
क्या सर उससे कुछ फर्क पड़ता है सर? अगर मैंने बैलेंस शीट एज ऑन के बजाय फॉर द ईयर लिख दिया, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? क्या फर्क पड़ता है सिन्हा सर जी? कोई फर्क पड़ेगा यार? कुछ भी नहीं पड़ेगा कि पड़ेगा? मुझे नहीं मालूम. हेलो, कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा?
सर फर्क पड़ेगा ना सर. ईयर इट मींस दिसंबर और एज ऑन डेट इट मींस एनी स्पेसिफिक डेट.
करेक्ट. बस वहीं पे आंसर आ गया आपका. सर स्टॉक है ना एज ऑन रहता है. दिस इज एज ऑन 1st of January. दिस इज एज ऑन 31st of December. तो स्टॉक दिन का रहता है, स्टॉक पूरे साल का नहीं रहता है. लेकिन सेल्स हम लोग कहाँ पे लिखते हैं? पीएनएल में लिखते हैं. और पीएनएल पूरे साल का रहता है. पूरे साल का मतलब सबका एडिशन.
Okay.
I hope you got the answer. Yeah, I hope you are understood.
Yes, sir.
सिन्हा जी
Yes, sir.
समझा?
Yes, sir.
Stock is written in the balance sheet and stock is always for that day. Stock is always for that day, as on that date. It cannot be for the year. Okay, this is the one point. अभी मैकेनिकल प्रोसेस बोलता हूं, सुनो. अभी ध्यान दीजिए. 17.75 पॉजिटिव, 17.75 नेगेटिव, कैंसल. 18.5 पॉजिटिव, 18.5 नेगेटिव, 19.25 पॉजिटिव, 19.25 नेगेटिव. बचता है क्या? ये बचता है और ये बचता है, इसलिए वो यहाँ पे आ गया. हेलो,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you got my point. Actually, I feel Madhuri madam, you were thinking on this line. मुझे ऐसा लगता है आप जब बोल रहे थे, एक्चुअली आप ये लाइन पे बोल रहे थे. if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
It got nullified. Because it got nullified, finally year 16.25 and year also 16.25 will only remain.
Yes, sir.
Because 1.75 closing opening nullified, 18.5 closing opening nullified, 19.25 closing opening nullified. Got my point? Okay. So this was concept. Let's go ahead now. We got production budget now. Ahead, raw material consumption budget in quantity. So there might give you a sentence that finished goods required how many raw material. Have they given us? Definitely they should give us.
2 kg.
Sorry, sir.
2 kg of raw material.
Where it is given? I'm sorry. एक मिनट मुझे पढ़ना पड़ेगा, कहाँ लिखा है? हाँ, ये second last line. Each unit of finished goods. Each unit of finished goods require 2 kgs. बरोबर? Yes. Sir, I got it. बरोबर है?
Yes, sir.
So now, what will I find out? Raw material consumption. So production 31.5, 38.25, 42, 42 into raw material consumption per unit. Per unit is how much? We require for every unit, we require 2 units. So RMC, raw material consumption quarter wise. Can you please tell me? 33, 63 if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
38.25 that comes
76.5.
to 76.5. 84.
Oh.
तो my second question का answer आ गया. Now, can I say purchase budget? Purchase budget. चलो. Purchase budget. Can I say अभी आप purchase budget बना सकते हो? Correct?
Yes, sir.
RMC, add closing stock. Less opening stock. मुझे परचेज मिल जाएगा. RMC तो दे दिया 63, 76.5, 84, 84, 84, 84, 76.5 and 63. That comes to 307.5. Now what? I want balancing to be done from you. Should I give you time of 5 minutes? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Come on, please do it. Sinha ji, aap ho?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 5 minutes given.
Late, sir.
No, sir.
Opening stock of the beginning of the year is 10,000, sir. उसका मतलब annual में भी 10,000 आएगा और फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में भी 10,000 आएगा एंड एंड ऑफ द ईयर 5,000। तो मैं रुपीज इन, मैं यूनिट्स इन थाउजेंड्स लिख रहा हूँ। 10, 10, 5, 5, बस दैट्स ऑल। इतना डेटा दिया है। तो ये हो गया 89, ये हो गया 312.5 -10, 302.5। अभी मुझे मालूम नहीं, अभी मैं क्या करूं? यहाँ तक तो क्वेश्चन में दिया था, मैंने कर दिया, अभी मैं क्या करूं?
ये नीचे लिखा है ना, परचेज ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल परसेंटेज, फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में 30%, सेकंड में 50, थर्ड में 20।
यस सर बोला है। यस, क्या करूं सर, बोलो। करेक्ट, गो अहेड बेटा।
फर्स्ट क्वार्टर का परचेज 92.25 आ रहा है सर।
ओके सिन्हा जी, आप मानते हो? फर्स्ट क्वार्टर का परचेज होना चाहिए 90.75। $151.25।
ओके सर।
मैडम ये आंसर आना चाहिए बेटा।
यस सर।
दिस शुड बी योर आंसर। मैंने क्या किया बेटा यहाँ पे? 30% ऑफ 302, 50% of 302.5 and 20% of 302.5। करेक्ट। अभी तो
Yes,
फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स है। ये हो गया 100.75,
यस सर।
100.75 minus 63, 37.7।
37.5।
This will come here plus 151.25, that comes to 189, minus 76.5, that comes to 112.5. That 112.5 will come here plus 60.5,
173।
173 minus 84, that comes to 89, and it tallies. Correct? And it tallies.
73 minus 84, 85. Okay sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Okay sir, got it sir.
Got it? Okay. What about Sinaji?
yes, sir.
Great, great, great. So now what they are asking, price stored ledger card of raw material using FIFO method. Oh my God, it's very difficult to do it right now. We'll continue in the next session then.
Okay sir.
Yeah.